Northern Orchard is a utility-scale solar field. It has PV and batteries. DC coupled, it's a hybrid site. I'm Eric Salazar with RWE Operations. I'm a site operator technician. I think battery storage need to be in place 50 years ago. It makes grids more stable. You're not having to constantly worry about if there was a surge in demand. You have that ready. Battery storage also will provide during evening hours whenever the sun's not up. And I think that's going to be the new future product in utilities. Every community should participate with solar, renewables, batteries. It just keeps providing back to the community.
My name is Logan Robertson Hecker, and I am the Executive Director of Sequoia Riverlands Trust. We are a nationally accredited regional nonprofit land trust for the Southern Sierra Nevada and San Joaquin Valley, and we work to conserve land in our region. So for us at SRT, renewable energy development is one of the ways that we accomplish conservation. Because we've been able to engage in partnerships with organizations like RWE in order to do conservation easements on properties that were related to solar development in particular. So we see it as a critical piece of the work that we do. The Northern Orchard project, what that means for us is the ability to conserve over 800 acres of habitat. When an organization like RWE reaches out to us, we come to the conversation and we want to hear what they're wanting to do and what their plans are. And so we view them as partners. With climate change, we're just seeing a lot of changes in our natural environment. We're seeing now with the fires in various parts of the state and of the country.
Wildfires are one of the greatest concerns to the inhabitants of the state and industry. That drives us to design and manage with the utmost level of safety and fire protection. My name is David Rains. I'm the Senior Director of Fire Protection, Fire Prevention at RWE. I provide engineering support for projects from development through construction, and I work with our operations team to ensure we have best and safe practices for all that we do. Being a deputy fire chief and being involved in the fire service for many decades allows me to bring that credibility to our stakeholders and the communities that we support. I think it's important for people to know when they look at battery storage systems, the systems that are out there today are being built safely. They're being built to fail safely, and they're being built so they're environmentally friendly. Some of the key fail-safes that are incorporated into battery storage systems include thermocouples to manage temperature changes, automatic shutoffs that open circuits up, venting to ensure that battery storage box stays safe, and fire suppression systems to ensure that any electrical fires are mitigated.
We've engaged the local fire department so that they have their own system directly connected to our batteries where they can provide an e-stop on the entire site. I feel RWE is part of the community. You have employees that work here. They participate within the local schools. RWE has made a donation to one of the local high schools sports programs. It means the world to the team. That's the largest donation that they've ever had.
So we had been working with RWE for several years on conservation easements. Then they were really generous and offered us this voluntary donation, and which actually is the largest corporate donation that we've received as an organization. So we were really excited to be able to receive that from RWE.
RWE was the sponsor for the day at the county fair. From what I could see, the county fair here in Kern County meant a lot, and everybody comes out to see what renewable energy was all about.
To have the support of a company like RWE is really important. Being able to look to an organization like RWE is part of something that ensures our long-term sustainability as an organization.
I think renewables is so important to our future because it doesn't produce CO2. You're not getting those gas emissions. You're providing cleaner air for your kids to grow up and breathe. You're just providing a cleaner world.
To be able to be a leader in fire safety and renewables is huge for me. It's kind of like a dream. I get to wake up every day and do something I'm really passionate about. I'm really passionate about the fire service and giving back and leaving things better than I found them.
I think renewable energy is very important to our future. Protecting natural and working lands, habitat, the environment is important to make sure these spaces are still here. That is something that I really hope to see for my children's generation and for future generations.